What is going on, you guys? It's been a while, almost 3 months since I've taken out the DSM, but today I'm meeting up with the homie Byron. He's bringing out his DSM that he case swapped, and we're meeting up here in this parking lot before we head over to the Fujiwara Tofu shop. There's gonna be a Fast and Furious night style meet, so yeah, we decided to bring out the DSMs and take them for a spin. Got the passenger princess. So yeah, it's looking clean. I detailed it today in the morning. It's looking pretty good, not too bad. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for him to pull up and then we're gonna head out to the meet. Damn. Sick ass. All right, we made it to the spot. Found a good spot close to the front. There's an Evo and some Supras. Sheesh. Another DSM pulling up. Sheesh. GTR. What kind of GTR is that?